Here he has given front and top view. He has given orthographic projections. From this we have to convert 2D into 3D, means orthographics to isometric. Let's see how we can do this. Select file, new, select part file and select OK. See, this is the top view and this is the front view. Total height of the part is, in front view we can observe 20 plus 50, total height is 70. In top view we can see two squares. This is one square and this is one more square, having side of 60 and 40. Here you can see the base, and this is, here you can see this 60 mm square. So the base is a square with a height of 20 mm, and inside we can see one more square of side 40 mm, but in front view it is looking like a cone, but in top view we can see it is like a square joined by two diagonal lines, means it's a in shape of pyramid. It will be in the shape of pyramid. Okay, now let's see how to do this. Select top plane, top view, sketch, select polygon. Select polygon command. Here we can see a square on the top with the side of 60 mm. In parameter, enter number of sides as 4. From origin point, draw one polygon. Select. Now we have to give a relation for this, any one of the side. This is a top view. The line is horizontal and vertical, horizontal, vertical, means it is placed exactly. So select any one of this side, give the relation as vertical or horizontal. Now make dimension, it is 60 mm, side is 60 mm, enter 60. Now select isometric view, extruded boss base command. We can see it is projected up to height of 20 mm. Extrude 20 and select OK. Now again select top face, top view, repeat the same commands. Select sketch, select polygon, because here we have to draw one more square on the top of this base. Select polygon, number of sides is 4 because it is a square. From origin point, draw one more square. Select, make any one of the sides add relation as vertical or horizontal. Make dimension as shown in the figure. It is 40 mm. Square is 40 mm. Enter 40. Now select isometric view, extruded boss base. How much it has been extruded? It is extruded at height of 50 mm. Enter 50. Okay. Please observe here. Here in top face it is not looking in this way. Okay. Here you can see two diagonal lines in the top view, but here you can't see because it is not a pyramid, it is just a square, and in the front view you can see one more rectangle on the top of this base, but here it is in the shape of a cone, inverted cone. How to do this? In extruded base we have one more command here. We have to give height. What is the height? Height is 50 mm, followed by, here you can see draft on off. We have to on the draft. Here you can see 1 degree. When we increase the angle, you can see the changes. It is forming in a pyramid shape. We have to give for height of 50 mm 21.8 degrees. Note down 21.8 degrees. Select OK. See, this is the top view. In top view it is looking like this. It is the front view. So this is the front view. Now make the dimension for this. Select dimension. Here base height is 20 mm. This base square is 60, and this is 40, and one more dimension is height of the pyramid. In order to dimension the height of the pyramid, select front plane, front view, sketch, select center line command. From this top tip, select up to this base exact center point. Select. Now here select in conformation corner, conform. Isometric view, select dimension, do the dimension for this axis line or center line. It is given as 50 mm. Okay.